It's me again, Margaret. And because I suck, I jumped the gun on telling y'all you could use my logo. You can use it for lives, and I have done a little video to show you how to use it, but I do not think you can do it for stories. I don't have the option to do it for my story unless I lay it after the fact. So, but this is how you do it for live. Keep watching. And this works for everything you saw me scroll past. Those are all kinds of different filters, different, like I said earlier, pink. There's one for pink, there's one for Walmart down there. So there's all kinds of cool stuff that if you've never hit that wand, you don't know what's there. So check it out, see what else is available, and change things up a bit.